The problem is also asked by the students only. Okay, you see, this is very important for the board point of view. Student, they are saying the following data were obtained during first order, this is the keep in mind, first order thermal decomposition of SO2Cl2 at constant volume, right? This is the equation. Calculate the rate of the reaction when total pressure is 0.65. Okay, this is what is also going to be total only. This is also going to be total. Here only this total is only what the, this is SO2Cl2 because no product form na when time 0. This total means what? This is going to be SO2Cl2 plus it is going to be SO2 and the same time it is going to Cl2. Here this total pressure is the same, SO2Cl2 plus it is going to be SO2 and that is going to be Cl2. Now student, they are asking decomposition of SO2Cl2 in this term. The following data obtained during the first order thermal decomposition. Now, so they are asking what student rate. Okay, so how can you write the rate student? Rate is equal to, it is going to be K in bracket, what is the pressure they have given a ATM, so it is partial P SO2Cl2 student. This is, before that what we need to know student, K we need na, K. So how can we do K? So if you are writing the expression for K, so first order reaction 2.303 divided by T and log, here is initial P initial student and divided by what will be there, P final. Okay, so that is we are writing PA, partial pressure of the reactant, right? This is the two equation which we are going to use. So for the rate we need to know the K. So firstly let us try to solve this one. Okay, so student, initial this is given student 0.5, but this is the PA means what student? PA means that is SO2Cl2. This is what the here is required, that is PSO2Cl2. Initial is what already I told you, that is it is what SO2Cl2 initial. So how can you do this one? How can you find this one? So let's do the rough work here student. So here we are having the equation student, SO2Cl2, it is giving what student? SO2 plus it is giving Cl2. Now student, you see what the values are there. So suppose the initial here is they have given 0.5, right? So it is 0 0, right? Here if you are talking about at T is equal to 0, I am talking, if T is equal to T you are going, so it is 0.5 minus X, here is X, this is X. So students, so if I will calculate PT, so what we can write student, 0.5 minus X plus X plus X, this is all total. So plus minus is going to be cancel out, so PT is equal to, it is going to be 0.5 plus X. This P total, okay, if I will say this P total is given student, what this P total is all about. Okay, so P total they have given 0.6, so here is 0.6 equal to 0.5 plus X, so it is X is equal to how much is coming student? 0.1. This is students, let's go a little bit more deeper. 2.303, at what they are talking about, no, T value here 0 and 100, so here will be 100 log P initial how much? 0.5. P final, P final, what is there? P final, PSO2Cl2, how much is there? P final. So P final, this is the data which we can use student, T is equal to T. So 0.5 minus X, so 0.5 minus X, X value 0.1. So how much is going to come student? 2.303 upon 100 log how much student? 0.5 upon 0.4. Now student, decimal are the same digit now, so you can 2.303 upon 100 log what will be there student? 5 upon 4. Log A by B, do you know student what is the formula of log A by B? It is the log A minus log what student? B. So what is there student? 2.303 upon 100, and here is what student? Log 5 minus log what is going to be 4. A student, you should know the values, right? What are the values? 2.303 upon 100. If I would say student to find the value of log 5, right? So what you will say student, log 5 value you can see in the table. I am seeing in the table log 5 value na. So it is saying student 0.6989. Log 4 value, if student, if you talk about log 4 value, so it is 0.6020, right? Now student, what we need to do, we need to solve this problem, right? So how can you solve this problem student? 0.6989 minus, it is going to be 0.6020. So dear student, how much it is going to be? 2.303 upon, it is going to be 100, and here is multiplied by 0.0969, right? So here is, you can multiply 2.303, it is divided by 100. So dear student, it is coming 0.00223, or you can write 2.23 into 10 ki power how much student? Minus 3 it is going to be, and this is the second inverse. So k value we got student. Now rate at, they are saying student, rate at, this is question, rate when, or we can write rate when total pressure, total pressure, what student? Total pressure, how much? Total pressure they are saying 0.65. You can see in the questions here, calculate rate when the total pressure is 0.65, right? So here you see student, total pressure. So same way equation you can use now student, no, SO2Cl2, this is the SO2Cl2 is decomposing, it is giving SO2 plus Cl2. So T is equal to 0, it is going to be what? 0.5, it is already given 0 0, and here is T is equal to T, so 0.5 minus X, and here is how much student? This is X and X. So P total, Pt is equal to 0.5 minus X plus X plus X. Student, this is going to be cancelled now. So Pt is equal to 0.5 plus X. Pt how much they are saying? 0.65 is equal to 0.5 plus X. Student, X is equal to how much? 0.65 minus 0.5. So it is going to be X is equal to how much student? 0.15. Up dear student, let us write the equation. So rate is equal to, rate is equal to, what will be there student? 2 point, no, here is first order reaction. If I will write student, rate is equal to, so it is going to be K, okay? And here is student, that we can write P, here is what student? SO2Cl2, right? PSO2Cl2. So this is what something. Students, dear student, let us see that is what is the value of this one, PSO2Cl2, because this is the value of X. So PSO2Cl2, it means this is now, this is the PSO2Cl2, this value. So here is PSO2Cl2 is equal to 0.5, this is student 0.5 minus X. So 0.5 minus X, how much student? 0.15. So it is going to be how much? 0.35 students. Now you put the value, K value we already calculated here na, 2.23 into 10 power minus 3. So 2.23 into 10 power minus 3, and PSO2Cl2 always we need to calculate like that only, okay? So PSO2Cl2 how much? 0.35. So 0.35. So if you solve, student, is coming 7.8 into 10 power minus 4 atm second inverse. So this is what is the both thing we got students. This is the rate, and here what we got student? Rate constant K. So this is all about the answer student, although this problem is quite critical, but you can solve. Thank you, students.